I am Jack Martin, global artist from Los Angeles. This is Total Blending from our new service, French Blending. We are going from a harsh demarcation and high-maintenance root touch-ups to seamlessly blended look and freedom from constant touch-ups. This is our starting point for today's service. About 5 centimeters of regrowth, a harsh demarcation line, and a wish to change the relationship she has with her grays. The goal is to reduce the contrast of her grays by playing with highlights and lowlights. For my highlights, I'll be working with the Blonde Studio Purple Lightning Balm. I divide the hair in 5 classic sections. Starting from the nape, with the vertical waving technique, carefully applying my lighteners from roots to tip for seamless blend. On both sides, I'll section horizontally to break the root demarcation, again, working highlights from roots to ends. To ensure seamless blending effect, always applying highlights about 1 centimeter away from the scalp. For my lowlights, I'll be using Dia Color 6 with 9 volume developer. To create depth selectively between my highlights, I apply lowlights to tone it down 1 shade darker. Shampoo and dry hair to 60%. Moving into the toning, to neutralize the hair, I'm using Dia Light 9.13 plus 9 volume developer specific to my client's undertone to blend roots, highlights, and lowlights. Shampoo the hair with the Vitamino color spectrum to protect the color. Total Blending is designed for loyal clients who want to space out their appointments and soften the harsh demarcation band, all with sufficient coverage, beyond traditional gray hair coverage. French Blending is the new innovative pro way to cover.